Our chosen video is Taboo, the Changing of Sex.
My name is Taylor Evans.
My name is Shawn Kuehter.
My name is Sarah Josie.
And I'm Serin, Lazaro.
And
this is our video.
We chose this video because gender is becoming something that people have begun to openly question in today's society.
For example, this video shows that other countries around the world have already branched out from the standard binary system of gender. For example, Taboo has already stated the following.
In Indian culture, the Hijra has long been regarded as a third sex. Castrated males who dress in feminine clothes. They see themselves as neither male or female.
In Samoan culture, a third gender is known as the Fa'afafine. They're little boys who are raised as girls in families that only have sons. Indonesia recognizes 5 genders: typical binary male and female, and transgender male and female. The 5th is the Bisu. They are said to embody both male and female and interact with the spirit world.
As a group, we came to the consensus that we wanted to question whether gender is based solely on physical traits, or is it a combination of hormones, mind, body, or both?
We decided upon this question because it was a major topic in the video, and it is prevalent now in society today.
Our group developed this hypothesis. If college students are surveyed, they would say that it is a combination of mind, body, and hormones, while older and younger generations would say that it is solely physical traits that determine gender identity.
The author of Transgressive Bodies, Dr. Richardson, speaks of the confusion of using pronouns in regards to transvestite and transgender individuals.
One of the things we really like is for everything to be neatly packaged and to be pigeonholed. And everything in society is organized around a gender binary system. So someone who is a gender hybrid is confounding all sorts of issues of identification and even issues of language. So what pronoun do we employ? How do we address this person? How do we relate to this person? And we'll feel very, very unsettled by it.
Sex is the biological reproductive organs one is born with, while gender is what one identifies with in society. Transgender is someone who doesn't consider themselves to fall under solely male or female. A transvestite is someone who enjoys dressing as the opposite sex.
More and more people today are choosing to not conform to the social constructs of gender, and thus identify as gender X, stating that you do not fall under the category of male or female. In Australia, Nori is the first to break down those boundaries and be legally recognized as gender X.
Our prediction is that the majority of our surveyors would answer that it's a combination of both the mind and body and the hormones of the individual.
Our chosen method is a random sample survey of the community of San Luis Obispo.
Our sample size is 10% of college students and 10% of non-college students, regardless of age.
Our expected results are that it would be roughly 50-50, meaning half would say solely physical because the city of San Luis Obispo is made up of a large percentage of non-college students, and the other half would say is based upon both due to the large amount of college students that represent a different generation.
We truly enjoyed this video, and it speaks of many important messages.
What Barlian states in the following summarizes the message we received from the video, and we hope it reaches you too.
I think it's even harder for those who don't pass well as a man or a woman. Then the taboo is even bigger, because others are scared of what they don't know. People need to be less superficial, because each person has something beautiful inside them, no matter whether they are a man or a woman or something in between. It doesn't matter.